is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washara County until 9:15 a.m. At 8:01 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hartman Creek State Park to 6 miles south of New Rome, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly rural areas of Washara County, including the following locations: Hancock, Saxville, Oissippi, Oroville, Spring Lake, West Bloomfield, Dakota, Pine River, Coloma, and Silver Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. for the following county: Washara, Wisconsin. During significant...
Alright. Still mispronouncing words. That was Washara County, not Washara. So yeah. Still having some mispronounced words, but they'll be able to fix that.